So I visited the Smithsonian National Museum, the virtually. I must say the overall experience was cool. Um, from a design perspective, there's a lot of information here. Like you can take your view here and like view around the room. You can go to different parts of the building. Um, the About one of the issues I had was the map right here. I mean, overall, you have to have the map to know where exactly you're going. Um, but if you can go up there and it makes the map go away, um, it's more real like this, but I have gotten lost like walking around here. Um, the other, the desire desirability is nice. Again, it's a great way to visit naturally. Uh, Going to this museum in person has been on the bucket list. Um, but coming here per se, it's very nice. Um, the other aspect that I had a issue with was this part here. Um, you can click on the picture, and it will show you, you like the actual statue. Um, that that feature should be available to like the whole museum because like you can zoom in, but I mean it don't show you the full out aspect like how the picture does. Um, the accessibility, it's I mean this is easy as it gets by just simply clicking and you can walk around the museum. Usefulness, I give it A plus because again, it is a small visible part of the building. It's not like a full out experience of actually being there, but you're reminded that it is a online tour. Um, it's accessibility. I mean, it's about as easy as it gets just by walking around by clicking. Credibility, I'm not sure just because it's online, so it can vary compared to actually going in person. Um, the overall, I mean, I enjoyed the presentation. It's, it's a lot of it's a lot of stuff to explore. The recommendations that I would include is the better interaction with the the map right here. I mean, If you close it, then it's like more of a visuality, the benefit, but you it's very easy to get lost. Again, something that I would think would be more of the benefit is to actually have the pictures on all of um, the exhibits, so that way that you can um, view it more in person, like what we had discussed earlier. Um, Overall, I mean, it's a virtual representation, but I enjoyed my experience with it. The only issue that I would have would be the the map. Thanks.